Hello everyone, let us now discuss how we can solve check if digits are equal in string after operations 1. So we are given with string s consisting of digits. We need to do the following operation repeatedly until we have only 2 digits. For each pair of consecutive digits in s starting from first digit, calculate a new digit as the sum of the 2 digits modulo 10. Replace S with the sequence of newly calculated digits maintaining the order in which they are computed. Return true if the two final digits in S are same or else false. So if I take the first example and compute 3 plus 9 which is 12 and 12 modulo 10 would give me like 2. So the first digit is 2. Then 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 modulo 10. 9 modulo 10 would give me 9. And then 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 modulo 10 would give me 2. Now, after this, I am taking the two consecutive digits. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 modulo 10 will give me 1. And here the same 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 modulo 10 is 1. So here we had 3 characters, but here we have only 2 characters. And if I compare the first digit to the second digit, they both are same. So I'll return true at this for this example. Now after that, let us take the next example 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Take the two first consecutive digits. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 mod 10 is 7. 7 plus 4 or 4 plus 7 is 11 and 11 mod 10 is 1. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 mod 10 is 5. Then 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 mod 10 is 7. Now let me take the first two characters or digits again. Then calculate the sum. 8 mod 10 is 8 itself. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 mod 10 is 6 itself. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 mod 10 is 2 itself. Now here also I have 3 digits. That means I need to do this operation again. So till when I got only 2 digits in my string. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 mod 10 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 mod 10 would be 8. And the first digit is not is equal to the second digit. So we will return false for this example. But so here I take the string, then computing the sum of first or the consecutive digits again and again. So I am doing this again and again till the size of my string is 2. So every time I call for a function, let me name it as func, and it will take the string. Now let me write the base condition or the stopping condition at the last. But before that, what will I do in this function? So I'll create an empty string answer which would be empty initially. Now this empty string would be this should be added with these digits. So for I is equal to 1 to the size of n, I'll take the sum. Sum is like s of I plus s of I minus 1 plus s of I minus 1. So don't forget to convert this into integer, and this sum modulo 10. This is the sum, and this will be pushed back, or this digit is pushed back into my answer. So this is how it works. Now, after this, what I am doing here, after creating this answer from this, I am calling the same function with this string again, and I'll get this string, and then again I'll get this string. But when the function this calls here, the size of the string is 2 itself. So when n is 2, then we need to return. But should we return true or false? When s of 0 is equal to s of 1 is equal to s of 1, then only we need to return true, or else we need to return false. So this is the base condition. Now after that we will be returning at the last this function with my newly created string answer. This is how it works, and this is the code. And if you want the code, I have given the submission link in the description. If you like this video, share it to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.